Number 1. 1934 Ford Coupe 3-window, price, $30,000. Location, Churchville, New York. This 1934 Ford 3W window coupe is a turnkey hot rod built for strong street performance and classic style. Featuring a fiberglass body, it's powered by a potent 406 Ci Chevy Stroker V8 paired with an automatic TH350 transmission, delivering plenty of torque and an easy driving experience. A Ford 9 inches rear end handles the power reliably, making this coupe well suited for cruising or spirited driving. Finished in gray with a black interior, the car presents cleanly and is described as ready to drive, not a project. With only 2 owners reported and low mileage since completion, it offers an attractive combination of performance and usability. The fiberglass body keeps maintenance manageable while preserving the iconic 3-window silhouette that hot rod enthusiasts value highly. Offered by a dealership at $30,000, this coupe is also available for trades, specifically toward a 4-door side-by-side UTV. With no other trades considered, for buyers seeking a straightforward, powerful hot rod that's ready to enjoy immediately, this 1934 Ford represents a solid opportunity. Number 2. 1933 Plymouth Coupe, price, $8,800. Location, Virginia Beach, Virginia. This 1933 Plymouth Coupe is a well-known steel-bodied hot rod with documented period history, including features in Rod magazines and the Car Crazy intro around 1980. Built in the 1970s and titled correctly as a 1933 Plymouth, it represents a true traditional hot rod foundation rather than a fiberglass replica. The car is mid-build following a partial teardown for refurbishment. It features extensive new suspension and chassis components, including a forged and drilled front axle, wishbones, monoleaf spring, flaming River Vega-style steering, and a GM 10-bolt rear with ride coilovers, ladder bars, and a panhard bar. Power comes from a ZZ4 350 small block with performance internals, backed by a turbo 350 with a Boss Hog converter. Included are major components such as the radiator, exhaust, alternator, and interior panels, though final assembly remains. Priced below replacement cost, this Plymouth offers serious value for an experienced builder seeking a historically significant steel-bodied hot rod project. Number 3. 1933 Ford Roadster, price, $35,000. Location, Franklin Lakes, New Jersey. This 1933 Ford Roadster is a well-sorted classic hot rod presented as a true drive-anywhere car. Finished in traditional roadster form, it offers timeless pre-war styling paired with modern usability, making it ideal for cruising, shows, or weekend trips without the worry of constant tinkering. The seller describes the car as being in excellent condition, with no known issues, simply start it up and go. That confidence suggests a properly sorted drivetrain, dependable electrics, and a build focused on real-world enjoyment rather than just visual appeal. An electric trunk adds a subtle modern convenience while keeping the overall presentation clean and uncluttered. Early Ford Roadsters remain among the most desirable body styles in the hot rod world, valued for their proportions, open-air experience, and strong resale appeal. At $35,000, this example sits in a competitive range for a turnkey, road-ready 33, offering an appealing blend of classic character, usability, and confidence for the next owner. Number 4. 1934 Coupe Hot/Street Rod, price, $29,500. Location, Northampton, Pennsylvania. This 1930 Ford Coupe Hot/Street Rod presents as a well-finished turnkey classic built for enjoyment rather than storage. Chevy-powered and set up for modern usability, it blends traditional hot rod styling with contemporary conveniences that make it easy to drive and live with. The seller describes the car as being in excellent condition, with a strong visual presence and plenty of curb appeal. Features such as push-button start, power windows, and remote entry highlight the thoughtful upgrades aimed at comfort and reliability while still preserving the unmistakable Model A coupe silhouette. The automatic transmission further supports relaxed cruising, whether for local shows or longer drives. With only 2 owners reported and no trades requested, this appears to be a straightforward sale of a sorted street rod that's ready to enjoy immediately. Offered at $29,500, this coupe represents a solid value in the current hot rod market. Number 5. 1932 Ford 5-Window Coupe. Price, $75,000. Location, Treasure, Pennsylvania. This 1932 Ford 5-Window Coupe is a freshly built American graffiti-style hot rod that blends iconic Deuce Coupe looks with modern reliability and comfort. Recently completed and showing just 2,100 miles, it presents as essentially brand new and turnkey, ready to enjoy immediately. Under the hood is a brand new Corvette-tuned port injection V8 paired with a new 4L60 automatic transmission, delivering smooth drivability, strong performance, and modern fuel-injected reliability. Power is sent through a brand new Currie rear end, a premium component that underscores the quality of the build. Convenience upgrades include air conditioning and power windows, making this coupe far more usable than traditional vintage builds. Finished in eye-catching yellow with a clean black interior, the car shows excellent overall fit, finish, and presentation. With a clean title and no known issues, this Deuce offers classic 1932 Ford appeal combined with modern engineering. Ideal for cruising, shows, or long-distance driving without compromise. Number 6. 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe. Price, $27,500. Location, Wayne, New Jersey. This 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe offers a classic hot rod silhouette at an accessible entry point for early Ford enthusiasts. Finished in black, the car presents as a clean, driver-quality build rather than an over-restored showpiece, making it appealing for someone who wants to enjoy the car on the road. While listing details are minimal, the seller notes that the car runs good, suggesting it is a functional turnkey cruiser rather than a stalled project. 3-window coupes remain among the most desirable pre-war Ford body styles thanks to their proportions, rarity, and strong resale appeal. At $27,500, this coupe is positioned competitively compared to many 1934 3-window examples that often trade well into the $30,000 to $40,000 range when sorted and drivable. Number 7. 1931 Ford Roadster. Price, $19,500. Location, Westboro, Pennsylvania. This 1931 Ford Roadster is a classic pre-war open-top cruiser presented in largely original form and described as being very well cared for. Finished in black with a brown interior, it retains the timeless Model A Roadster proportions that continue to attract collectors and casual enthusiasts alike. The seller notes the car runs well and has been driven, showing approximately 1,000 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this Roadster is aimed more at relaxed enjoyment than strict period correctness, making it approachable for buyers seeking vintage style without the learning curve of early manual controls. As a dealership listing, it is positioned as a turnkey driver rather than a project. At an asking price of $19,500, this Roadster represents an accessible entry point into early Ford ownership. Number 8. 1930 Ford Coupe, all steel, chopped. Price, $42,000. Location, Lynch Station, Virginia. This 1930 Ford all-steel chopped coupe is a professionally built hot rod that blends traditional craftsmanship with unmistakable show-quality nostalgia. Sitting on a 1932 Ford chassis, it features a reliable 5.0L roller V8 paired with an automatic transmission and an 8 inches rear end, making it a strong, usable driver rather than a static display. Finished in striking blue metal flake paint, the car carries its retro theme throughout with matching metal flake accents in the trunk and interior. White leather seats and door panels provide a sharp contrast, while chrome reverse wheels wrapped in American classic wide-wall tires complete the period-correct look. With just 2,000 miles since completion and multiple show awards, including recognition at the 2020 World of Wheels, this coupe offers turnkey enjoyment with pedigree. Number 9. 1929 Ford 5-Window Coupe, all steel, chopped. Price, $29,500. Location, Vernon, New Jersey. This 1929 Ford 5-Window Coupe is an all-steel hot rod with a strong traditional foundation and drivability upgrades already in place. Featuring a chopped top and classic Model A proportions, It delivers the aggressive stance enthusiasts seek while retaining original steel authenticity. Power comes from a 327 Ci Chevrolet V8 paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, offering strong street performance and highway-friendly cruising. Chassis upgrades include a 4-link Ford rear end, front disc brakes, and rack and pinion steering. The seller notes the car runs well and is actively drivable. Cosmetically, it is an ideal next stage project, with serviceable paint and an unfinished interior that allows for customization. Number 10. 1930 Ford Model A Coupe, Rumble Seat, Price, $16,900. Location, Elmer, New Jersey. This 1930 Ford Model A Coupe represents an honest and affordable entry into pre-war American motoring. Finished in blue with a tan interior, this all-steel coupe features the desirable rumble seat and retains its original 201 Ci 4-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Restored more than 30 years ago, it still presents well today as a true driver rather than an over-restored showpiece. Minor paint imperfections are noted, consistent with an older restoration. Mechanical highlights include a functioning 6-volt electrical system and a recently installed starter. Priced at $16,900, it offers strong value for collectors seeking a usable traditional Ford. Number 11. 1934 Ford 3-window coupe. Price, $30,000. Location, Sussex, New Jersey. This 1934 Ford 3-window coupe features a fiberglass body paired with a 350 Chevy engine and a 350 automatic transmission. With 31,000 miles showing, it is described as running and driving great. Finished in black with a red interior, it offers a bold and timeless color combination. The fiberglass body helps reduce weight while preserving the classic Ford 3-window design. Offered at $30,000, it represents a solid opportunity for a ready-to-enjoy street rod. Number 12. 1934 Ford 3-window coupe. Price, $36,000. Location, Cortlandt Manor, New York. This 1934 Ford 3-window coupe is a highly desirable street rod finished in red with a matching red interior. With only 7,000 miles and 2 previous owners, it blends classic style with modern drivability. Power comes from a 350 Chevy engine paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission and a 9 inches Ford rear end. Upgrades include air conditioning, 4-wheel disc brakes, and independent front suspension. Offered at $36,000, it is a fast, fun, and well-equipped turnkey street rod. Number 13. 1947 Ford F1 pickup. Price, $55,000. Location, Mechanicsville, Maryland. This 1947 Ford F1 pickup is a full custom, one-of-a-kind build finished in red with an off-white interior. With only 410 miles and 2 previous owners, it offers near-new performance in a classic body. Powered by a 406 Ci engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission and a supercharger, it delivers substantial horsepower. A Moser 5-link rear setup and ceramic-coated components highlight the quality of the build. Offered at $55,000, this F1 is a standout high-performance classic pickup. Number 14. 1937 Dodge 5-window coupe. Price, $19,500. Location, West Babylon, New York. This 1937 Dodge 5-window coupe finished in purple with an off-white interior blends classic styling with modern upgrades. Powered by a 454 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission, it features AC, heat, power steering, independent suspension, and 4-wheel disc brakes. While the seller notes it needs paint, it is offered at $19,500 as a solid driver or project with strong potential. Number 15. 1934 Ford 3-window coupe. Price, $34,000. Location, Barboursville, West Virginia. This 1934 Ford 3-window coupe is a sleek Pro Street hot rod finished in black with a matching interior. With just 589 miles, it is powered by a 355 small-block Chevy paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Featuring a chopped top and aggressive stance, it is offered at $34,000, with the seller open to trades.